Timmy man, I love you, bro.
Ay, 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 huh.
So I'm gonna tell you about what I use to keep this baby looking pretty, man. So pretty much I wash it with this 2-in-1 Armor All. It washes and wax. Still wet while the soap is on the car while it's soapy. I use this thing right here. I know you're just looking at it. What is that? It's a Griot's Garage Brilliant Finish synthetic clay. A highly efficient and comfortable solution to a smooth as glass finish. So that's the key, man. You make sure you clay your cars. Clay bars are for pretty much invisible deposits on your car, minerals, or anything that's in your paint that you can't visibly see. You're going to collect that, or if you can see it, it pretty much it removes fallout, overspray, sap mist, and more. So how this works is what this is. I got one of these joints right here. It's pretty much traditionally clay bars. They come in a bar. It's like a clay bar where you fold, and then you throw it away. I have a clay gunk, a mess in my trunk. But pretty much you fold it, you clay, and pretty much it was a hassle. So what they did, I don't know how effective this thing is because you can't really pretty much see the buildup on it. But I used it, and I mean, it came out good. Pretty much you want to throw the soapy water on there, and while it's soapy, you work this. If you have any it should move like it's on skates. If you have any friction, you want to work that spot until it's smooth, because if it's some friction, that means there's something right there that's stuck pretty much. So you want to work this around, and you want to make sure you add moisture to this. The cool part about this is that you can dunk this in a bucket. The sponge will absorb the water and pretty much squeeze, and go. So it's pretty much easy and more effortless. But the thing is, I don't know how effective this thing is. I can't, with my traditional clay sponges, I would be able to see the deposits on the clay, because most clay bars are either white or yellow, the ones I've encountered. I clayed this car about 2 times since I've had it. And next, I waxed this car about 2 times since I had it. Which is this stuff right here. Meguiar's Gold Class Carnauba Plus. This is my second time using this, buying this stuff, I should say. So if you want that showroom finish look like your boy King Crown, man, you can always hire that, man. I ain't the only one that's gonna have clean paint. So I mean, I want to make sure you guys are up to par and all that stuff too. So go ahead, get the Meguiar's Gold Class Carnauba wax, or whatever you prefer. If you know of any wax that's better than this, let me know. I mean, put me on the game. But pretty much this is what I use. I let the wax sit on there for like 5-10 minutes. If I'm not doing nothing, I let it sit on there for pretty much how you know the wax is done is that when you after you add the wax, once you go to once you add the wax to the car, you swipe it. If you have a clean swipe, it's done. And what I used to dry out the car is this pretty much a plush drying towel. I have like 3 of these. They're pretty durable, pretty efficient. Use to clean my car. Again, that's the Meguiar's Gold Class Carnauba Plus. and Griot's Garage Brilliant Finish Synthetic Clay Bar. No, I shouldn't say bar, I should say sponge. And the Armor All 2-in-1 wash, which is in the house. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the boy King Crown, man. I'm gonna hit you guys with another video. You see I'm inside the back of the car. And what I've noticed is that I can't say I have the cleanest Vic if I got this stuff right here. So that made me, think, you know what, I should clean the whole car. And the seats aren't really bad, but pretty much my dog gets back here. He walks through the mud field, gets back here, and muddy it up. So I'm gonna show you guys how to clean the interior.